Challengers Bangalore and Delhi Capitals have been the two most dominant sides this season. Both the teams are contending for the first spot on the table by exceeding the expectations that people had with them. The two teams have faced off a total of 23 times, with Bangalore winning 14 of those games. Here is the fantasy 11 for this match. Rishabh Pant. Rishabh Pant has looked to be in good touch. He has scored 134 runs this season already at a strike rate of 136.73. His recent knock against KKR will give a boost to his confidence and also stabilizes the middle order of Delhi Capitals a lot. This earns him a spot in R11. AB de Villiers. AB de Villiers has been one of the most crucial players for RCB. He has looked to be in decent touch this season. He is striking at 178 this season and he will be looking to exploit the Delhi bowling to get some more runs under his belt this game. He will thus be a player to watch out for. Shreyas Iyer. The young man Shreyas Iyer has been in tremendous form this season. His innings of 88 not out against KKR in his previous match would have surely boosted his confidence and he will only look to score more in this game. He is also the vice captain of R11. Virat Kohli. Also known as King Kohli, he has finally seen a small glimpse of form in his previous innings. His innings of 72 runs powered RCB to the top 2 on the table and he will look to keep scoring runs. Once he gets going, he becomes very hard to stop and this makes him our captain. Devdutt Padikkal. The young Devdutt Padikkal has shown a lot of maturity as an opener. His attacking playstyle and his judgment of loose balls makes him a tough batsman to bowl to. He has been in great form this season and just like the previous match, he will be looking to score more runs to see his team home this game as well. This thus makes him our 5th pick. Marcus Stoinis. Marcus Stoinis is an explosive all-rounder. He had shown his skills with the bat early in the tournament and in the previous game he also proved that he can contain runs in the death overs. Bowling to the star-studded batting lineup of RCB will be challenging, but he seems to have been performing great under pressure and this makes him our 6th pick. Washington Sundar. Washington Sundar has been a decent bowler for RCB in the recent past. With the team being on winning ways and his low economy rate of just 7.18 this season, he will be more confident to bowl against the explosive batsmen of Delhi Capitals. This year, spinners have created massive impact on teams and he could do the job for RCB along with Yuzvendra Chahal. Kagiso Rabada. Kagiso Rabada has been very confident ever since his performance in the Super Over. He has been a very difficult bowler to go after and he will play a crucial role in containing the batsmen of RCB. His Yorkers are his strength and he bowls at a fast pace, making him a threatening bowler and our 8th pick. Enrich Nortje. Nortje has been a promising bowler. He has picked up 5 wickets in just 4 games and has an economy rate of 7.94. He bowls at a good pace and he looks to be threatening with the ball. His 3 for 33 against KKR helped seal an emphatic win for Delhi Capitals and he will only get better as the tournament progresses. This makes him our 9th pick. Yuzvendra Chahal. The Bangalore leggy Yuzvendra Chahal has been the highest wicket taker this season so far. With 8 wickets to his name, with an economy rate of just 7.18, he will be threatening to face as a batsman. His leg spinners will be the ones to watch out for as he has played a massive role in RCB's flourish of wins this season. This thus makes him our 10th pick. Navdeep Saini. Navdeep Saini has been a dependable bowler for RCB now. The pace bowler has been in good rhythm and has been in wicket-taking form. He is looking to be threatening with the new ball and has immensely improved his death bowling. This makes him a better pick than the more experienced Umesh Yadav for Royal Challengers Bangalore. He will be a player who will earn some points to his name in this game, and this makes him our final pick. This concludes our Fantasy 11 prediction for this match. Here is a list of all the players who we believe will be the best to pick in your teams. Who do you think is the most impactful player? Let us know down below.